أعزائي الطلبة، السلام عليكم. راح نسوي جملة من المراجعات، نسوي preparation for laboratory examination بالhuman physiology. نسوي عليكم مراجعات لغرض الاستعداد للامتحان العملي للhuman physiology. مثل ما تعودتوا علينا، احنا عادة نسوي مراجعات بالامتحانات، فأرجو أنه تنتبهون عليها، وهي هذه راح تكون المراجعات. Which of the following statement is wrong? السؤال: the end product of number 1 protein, number A, protein digestion are transported to the liver via hepatic portal vein. B, triglyceride digestion are transported to the liver via lymphatic system. C, carbohydrate digestion are transported to the liver in the blood. D, triglyceride digestion are transported via the lymphatic system. The answer is B. B is correct. Number 2, one of the following process is not part of the mechanical digestion. Which one? A, hydrolysis. B, peristalsis. C, segmentation. D, mastication. The answer is A. The answer is hydrolysis. أحب أنه أضيف هذه واحدة من عندهن تختارها هي اللي تكون الإجابة الصحيحة. بالامتحان ما راح تشوف الحروف A و B و C و D، ما راح تشوفها، ولا 1 و2 ولا 3 ولا 4، وإنما تشوف السؤال بدون رقم، وبعدين تجي لك الإجابة. فما نشوف إنه أي بروتين، لا، البروتين مخلي لك إياه فقرة. شفتوها شلون بالامتحان السابق لما امتحنا؟ شفتوا هذا السكون. فهذا السؤال وانت الاختيارات الصحيحة هو هذا رقم B. ثالثا، which type of cell produce hydrochloric acid? Which cell produce hydrochloric acid? A, zymogenic cell. B, parietal cell. C, chief cell. D, enteroendocrine cell. The answer is B اللي هي parietal cells. السؤال الرابع: which of the following gland are accessory organ of digestive system? A, adrenal gland. B, pancreatic islet. C, gastric gland. D, salivary gland. The answer is D. السؤال الخامس: what is the role of gastrin in digestive system? A, to stimulate release of bile and pancreatic juice. B, stimulate gastric secretion. C, activate pepsinogen. D, to hydrolyze protein to polypeptide. The answer is B, gastrin. 6, which liver cell produce bile? Kupffer cell, sinusoids, hepatocyte, the acinine. The answer is C, hepatocyte. السؤال السابع: what is the end product of carbohydrate digestion? A, chylomicron. سابع. What are the end product of carbohydrate digestion? chylomicron, amino acid, free fatty acid, monosaccharide. الإجابة الصحيحة is D, monosaccharide. السؤال الثامن. What feature of small intestine enhance its ability to absorb digested food? A. Its large surface area. B. The gap between adjacent epithelial cell. C. Secretion of the hormones absorption. D. Its longer length compared to large intestine. The correct answer is A. السؤال التاسع. Which of the following gut structure are listed in the correct order that food would pass through them from input to exit? A. Pyloric sphincter, ileum, jejunum, transverse colon. B. Pancreas, jejunum, ascending colon, sigmoid colon. C. Ileum, duodenum, descending colon, ascending colon. D. duodenum, ileum, cecum, transverse colon. جاي شوفوا هي أسئلة عملية، يعني ال following gas structure less correct order food passages. شلون يفوت الباسجز؟ من هي الطريقة الصحيحة مالته؟ من الطريقة منهم من هذين الأربعة طريقة الصحيحة؟ طريقة الصحيحة هي دي. أوكي. رقم سؤال 10. Which statement about the layers of alimentary canal is correct? The serosa absorb the products of digestion. The mucosa protect against self-digestion. The submucosa is involved in segmentation and peristalsis. D. Muscularis externa is dense connective tissue. Correct answer is B. سؤال 11. Which of the following pairs of substance are not secreted by the stomach as a part of gastric juice? A. Hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen. B. Hormone and intrinsic factor. C. Nuclease and amylase. D. Mucus and gastrin. The answer is C. 12. What are some products of lipid digestion? Free base and pentose sugar, fructose and glucose, amino acid and small peptide, free fatty acid and monoglycerols. The answer is D. Number 13. From which the gut structure below is most digested food absorbed? Duodenum, stomach, ileum, ascending colon. The answer is C. ileum. 14. Which of the following is inactive enzyme? Pro-carboxypeptidase, pepsin, telophase, trypsinogen. The answer is B. pepsin. 15. Which of the following is a function of the liver? A. Recycling of non-viable red blood cell. B. Conversion of pyruvic acid to lactic acid. C. Synthesis of plasma protein. D. Production of renin. Answer is C. 16. What is the term applied to the production of glucose from non-carbohydrate molecules? Deamination, transamination, glycogenolysis, glyconeogenesis. The answer is D. Glyconeogenesis. 17. Which of the following term is describe the changing of large food molecules into smaller molecules? Mechanical digestion, deglutition, segmentation, hydrolysis. The answer is D. 18. What is the purpose of intrinsic factor in gastric juice? A. To activate pepsinogen. B. To assist with the absorption of vitamin B12. C. To protect the stomach lining against hydrochloric acid. D. It stimulates the release of gastrin. The answer is B. 19. Which of the following does not contribute to increasing the surface area of small intestine? A. The brush border, bilici circularis, intestinal crypts, villi. The answer is C. 20. What is the end product of carbohydrate digestion? A. Monosaccharides, B. Disaccharides, C. Glucose, D. Trisaccharides. The answer is A. 21. Name the major cell type in liver lobules. Kupffer cells, hepatocyte, sinusoid, epithelial cells. The answer is B. Number 22. To what does term glyconeogenesis refer? Conversion of glycogen to glucose. Removal of amine group from amino acid. Production of glucose from non-carbohydrate molecules. Conversion of disaccharides to monosaccharide. The answer is C. 23. Which of the following is true of bile? Convert inactive pancreatic enzyme to active form. B. Need in the small intestine for digestion of fat. C. Synthesized by gallbladder. D. Need in a small intestine for emulsification of fat. The answer is D. 24. Why are blood capillaries in the liver lobule so permeable? A. To allow the product of digestion to leave the blood for processing in the liver. To allow fatty acid to leave the liver cell to enter the blood. C. To allow plasma protein that are synthesized in the liver to enter the blood. D. To allow the blood cell at the end of their life to leave the blood to the recycled in the liver. The answer is C. 25. Which layer of gastrointestinal tract is contact with the content of the gut? Muscularis externa, mucosa, serosa, submucosa. The answer is B. 26. What's the name given to the process of moving the gut content along the tract in the right direction? Peristalsis, emesis, segmentation, deglutition. The answer is A. 27. Which of the following substance is not produced by the cell in the gastric gland? Mucus, hydrochloric acid, gastrin, pepsin. The answer is A. 28. Which hormone stimulates the release of bile and pancreatic juice? Chole, cytokinin, secretin, intestinal gastrin, pepsin. The answer is A. 29. What molecules are the products of protein hydrolysis? A. Monoglycerol and free fatty acid, monosaccharides and disaccharides, amino acid and small peptide. Correct answer is D. Number 30. What happened to the products of lipid digestion in the gut? They are actively transported into the epithelial cell lining the gut. They diffuse into epithelial cell and are reconstituted into triglyceride. They are transported to the liver by the hepatic portal vein. They diffuse through the plasma membrane of epithelial cell, then diffuse into blood capillary. The answer is B. 31. One of these processes is not part of carbohydrate metabolism in the liver. Which one? Production of ATP from glucose. Production of glucose from glycogen. Production of glucose from amino acid. Production of glycogen from glucose. The answer is A. 32. The liver contains leaky capillary known as sinusoid. This enables what liver product to enter the bloodstream? A. Angiotensinogen, Kupffer cells, plasma proteins, cholesterol. The answer is C. 33. What is the function of bile salt? A. To assist the absorption of digested lipid, to emulsify lipid, to hydrolyze lipids, to digest lipids. The answer is B. 34. Digestion of food molecule is necessary so that indigestible food molecules are separated from digestible food molecules. Essential amino acid and fatty acid may be absorbed by the body. Excretion of waste product can occur via the bowel. Food may be converted into particles small enough to pass into a cell of the gut wall. The answer is D. Where is the gastroesophageal sphincter? Between stomach and the duodenum. Between stomach and cecum. At entrance of the stomach. Before external anal sphincter. The answer is C. 36. What are the end products resulting from digestion of carbohydrate? A. Monosaccharide. B. Monoglycerol. C. Bantos sugar. D. Amino acid. The answer is A. 37. Which section of the gut perform the majority of digestion of the food and absorption of digested product? A. Stomach and duodenum. B. Jejunum and ileum. C. Ascending colon and transfer colon. D. Duodenum and jejunum. The answer is D. 38. Which enzyme below digests protein? Nuclease, maltase, carboxypeptase, transminase. The answer is C. 39. To what does term glyconeogenesis refer? Conversion of non-carbohydrate molecule to glucose. The formation of non-essential amino acid from keto acid. The removal of amino group from molecules. The release of glucose from stored glycogen. The answer is A. 40. A lobule of liver contains several blood vessels. Which one carry nutrient-rich blood from small intestine? Hepatic artery proper, hepatic portal vein, central vein, bile duct. The answer is B. 41. Which of the following could not be used to describe pepsinogen? A. It is a protein. B. It is hormone. C. It is related to the enzyme. C. It is inactive. The answer is B. 42. What is the function of esophagus in digestion? A. It is a site of mechanical digestion. B. Transfer food from mouth to stomach. C. Esophagus secreted amylase to begin carbohydrate digestion. D. Esophagus secrete hydrochloric acid. The answer is B. 42. 43. What is the purpose of the mucosal barrier between the cell of stomach wall and the stomach content? A. Prevent enzyme in the stomach content from digesting the stomach. B. It converts pepsinogen to its active form. C. It prevents bacteria in stomach from invading the stomach wall. D. It prevents undigested food molecules from being absorbed by the stomach lining. The answer is A. 44. Which part of alimentary canal prepare food to chemical digestion? A. The mouth, esophagus, stomach. B. Mouth, stomach, and small intestine. C. Mouth, stomach, and duodenum. D. Teeth, stomach, and pancreas. The answer is C. 45. What food is digested by lipase? Nucleic acid, carbohydrate, polypeptides, triglyceride. The answer is D. 46. What food is digested into monoglycerol? Protein, lipid, nucleic acid, starch. The answer is B. 47. What is the function of bile? A. Bile hydrolyzed polypeptides. B. Bile emulsify fat and oils. C. Bile activates pro-carboxypeptidase. D. Bile stimulates the pancreas to secrete pancreatic juice. The answer is B. 48. The liver is able to deaminate amino acid, forming ammonia. In the process, what happened to the ammonia? It is phagocytosed by Kupffer cell. It is used in transmination to form non-essential amino acid. C. To convert the bile to excreted via the gut. D. To convert urea for excretion by the kidney. The answer is D. 49. What happened to the product of digestion of lipid? They are absorbed into capillary and transported by the blood to the liver. Capillary and transported by the blood to the heart. Lactile and transported by the lymph to the heart. Lactile and transported by the lymph to the liver. The answer is C. 50. If blood glucose is high, what does the liver do about it? The liver converts glucose to glycogen or triglyceride. The liver performs glycogenolysis. The liver performs glyconeogenesis. The liver transmits glucose to produce amino acid. The correct answer is A. Which is 51? Which is an enzyme secreted by gastric gland? Pepsin, gastrin, cholecytokinin, intrinsic factors. The correct answer is A. Pepsin. 52. What is the product of protein digestion? Monoglycerol and fatty acid, dipeptides, tripeptides, and amino acid, base, pentose, sugar, and nitrate ion, monosaccharide, and disaccharide. The answer is B. 53. Which of three sections does small intestine consist of? Ileum, duodenum, cecum. Antrum, jejunum, duodenum. Rectum, ileum, duodenum. Ileum, duodenum, jejunum. The answer is D. 54. What's the name given to the movement of food material through the gastrointestinal tract? Peristalsis, segmentation, deglutition, bowel movement. The answer is A. 55. Correctly complete the sentence. Pepsinogen is converted the pepsin by hydrochloric acid, converted to pepsin by intrinsic factor, secreted by the pancreas, involved in production of carbohydrate digesting enzyme. The correct answer is A. 56. Emulsification is the name of process carried out by lipase, bile, micelles, lacteals. The answer is B. 57. The pH of stomach and the pH of small intestine are best described respectively as acidic and alkaline basic, strongly acidic and weakly alkaline basic, acidic and weakly alkaline basic, strongly acidic and strongly alkaline basic. The answer is B. 58. What feature do procarboxypeptidase, pepsinogen, fibrinogen, chymotrypsinogen have in common? They are all enzymes. They are all produced by the pancreas. They are all inactive. They are all digest protein. The answer is C. 59. Which layer of alimentary canal responsible for absorbing the product of digestion? Musculars interna, mucosa, serosa, submucosa. The answer is B. 60. Protein is digested to polypeptides by which of the following? Pepsinogen, intrinsic factor, hydrochloric acid, pepsin. The answer is D. 61. What is the products of carbohydrate digestion? Monosaccharide, amino acid, monoglyceride, monoglycerol. The answer is A. 62. What does bile do? Bile stimulates the release of lipase. Bile emulsifies fat. Bile digests fat. Bile hydrolyzes fat. The answer is B. 63. What's the function of hepatic portal vein? A. To return blood from the liver to the heart. B. To transport blood rich in amino acid, monosaccharide, and free fatty acid to the liver. C. To transport the product of protein, carbohydrate digestion from gut to the liver. D. To allow nutrient absorbed from the gut to bypass the liver. The answer is C. 64. Which of the following are the end product of the protein hydrolysis? Monoglycerol, keto acid and non-essential amino acid, polypeptide, amino acid and dye, and tripeptide. The answer is D. 65. One of the following is not function of the liver. Which one? Recycling of red blood cells, storage of fat-soluble vitamin, removal and cycling of lactic acid, activation of vitamin D. The answer is A. 66. Which of the following is not a part of gastrointestinal tract? Ileum, pancreas, rectum, cecum. The answer is B. 67. What convert pepsinogen to pepsin in the stomach? Hydrochloric acid, glycerin, intrinsic factor, pepsins. The answer is A. 68. What's the products of hydrolysis of lipid? Monosaccharides, chylomicron, amino acid and small peptide, free fatty acid and monoglycerol. The answer is D. 69. Why does sinusoid, the type of capillary found within the liver lobules. A. To allow for mixing of blood from hepatic artery and hepatic portal vein. B. So that liver synthesized plasma protein may enter the blood. C. To allow worn out red blood cell to leave the bloodstream. D. In order for the product of digestion to be removed from the blood. The answer is B. 70. Which of the following present the structure through which chyme travel in the correct sequence? Esophagus, ileum, duodenum, ileocecal valve, transverse colon, rectum. B. Stomach, duodenum, ileum, transverse colon, ileocecal valve, rectum. C. Stomach, duodenum, transverse colon, ileum, rectum, ileocecal valve. D. Ileocecal valve, stomach, duodenum, transverse colon, ileum, rectum. The answer is B. 71. What is the function of bile salt? A. To digest dietary fat through the hydrolysis. B. To excrete the product heme breakdown. C. To emulsify and ingest fat and oil. D. To activate trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen. The answer is C. 72. Which function below is not performed by the liver? A. Production of glycogen. B. Synthesis of lipoprotein to transport fatty acid. D. Deamination of amino acid to form keto acid. D. Conversion of non-carbohydrate molecules to glucose. The answer is A. 73. What is the function of gastrin? A. To facilitate the absorption of vitamin B12 from the gut. To inhibit gastric secretion. To stimulate gastric secretion. To stimulate pancreatic secretion. The answer is C. 74. Which list of the section of the intestine has them in correct order from the nearest to furthest from the mouth? Duodenum, cecum, jejunum, ileum. Cecum, sigmoid colon, transverse colon, rectum. Duodenum, ileum, rectum, jejunum. Jejunum, ileum, cecum, ascending colon. The answer is D. And lastly, forward movement of food material through the gastrointestinal tract is achieved by which process? A. Peristalsis. B. Emesis. D. Deglutition. D. Hydrolysis. The answer is B. Thank you. توقعوا أنه راح نعرض مرشحات أخرى ل physiology of other gastrointestinal tracts. See you